Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to activate fingerprint feature on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you want to increase the security on your cell phone, and the one way is to activate the fingerprint feature on your cell phone by registering your fingerprint to unlock the screen or lock application. And how to do that is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to fingerprint, face data, and secured lock. And then now you have to create the screen lock first, and now you can click fingerprint and you can register your fingerprint by touching the fingerprint sensor until it's done. And then so yeah, click down and now you can see the result. And now I will lock the phone, and then so yeah, I will use fingerprint and it's work. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and see you on next video.